Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. I put some things together, so I'm going to make it look just like this one. I'm going to follow some directions here, and then we can get on the road to getting this done. That there, that there, this here, like that. I need another one of these stickers. It's going to go on there, just like the other one did. It'll be the inside of the ship. Right. Oh, you know what I forgot? Give me just a sec here. Okay, so this one is going to go like this. This one's going to go like that. And then I'm going to put this lightsaber together. And I'm going to put this here. That's where the lightsaber's going to be. Right there. Okay, and then oh, the other one. Okay, so this goes here. Got it. This is going to be for another thing. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Lots of nice little details in this. That's going to be our cockpit, and some other things are going to go in there, but yeah, looking pretty good so far. So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.